Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use a design blueprint in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use design blueprint in Dark War Survival. So for this you'll need firstly to unlock the modified vehicle feature by progressing through the game. Open your APC vehicle upgrade screen, not the normal bidding upgrade menu, and then select an APC part that requires a design blueprint. So you can do whichever you need a design blueprint on, so you can see it there. Then, if you have enough design blueprints and the other required materials, such as titanium alloy and vehicle parts and gears, tap upgrade. The design blueprint is consumed automatically as part of the upgrade. You cannot use it directly from your inventory. One important thing, design blueprints are used for APC upgrades, not buildings or hero equipment. They typically become necessary once your APC reaches level 4 or when the later APC part upgrades require for them. If you're wondering where to get more design blueprint, also here we can go, I can show you of course that will be in a of course separate video to this one. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.